Have you ever wondered why you spend a third of your life in a dark room, while your consciousness is wandering somewhere else entirely? Welcome to the lab, my friend. I'm Zapnik. Many people think sleep is just idle time, a sort of biological screensaver that could be replaced by an extra strong coffee or some future technology. But the truth is, your brain actually kicks into gear during this time. In fact, I must debunk the myth that sleep is a waste of time. It's actually the smartest investment in your genius for tomorrow. Let's start with why your eyes get heavy after a long day. While you're awake, your cells are working. And in the process, a substance called adenosine, a kind of biological dream dust, builds up in your brain. The more you learn, play, or work, the thicker this layer becomes, until finally your brain shouts, "Enough! Bring in the cleaning crew!" This internal urge is so powerful that if you tried to stay awake for a week, your systems would fail one by one. First, your mood would sour, then hallucinations would kick in, and eventually, your memory would be wiped like a corrupted hard drive. Sleep deprivation is no game. It's a serious threat to your immune system and your heart. But what exactly is happening inside when you finally turn off the light? Imagine your brain as a giant playhouse where everyone left the toys scattered everywhere during the day. As soon as you fall asleep, the glymphatic system springs into action. This is your brain's own nightly cleaning network. During this time, your cells shrink slightly to make room for the cerebrospinal fluid, which simply washes through the entire system. It filters and removes harmful proteins, such as beta-amyloid, which, if left there, would clog your neural pathways in the long run. This, however, is only one half of the process. While the water washes the corridors, your brain is also organizing your knowledge. During the day, information is placed in a temporary storage area called the hippocampus. But during sleep, your brain decides what's important and what's junk. What's worth keeping is transferred to long-term memory. This is called memory consolidation. This is why a newborn might sleep as much as 14-17 hours a day. Their brain is still building so many new neural connections and memories that the workshop almost never stops. In contrast, adults generally need less. But a teenager, due to their developing nervous system, would still need 8-10 hours. This is why, according to numerous studies, schools should start later so that students' biological rhythms don't clash with math class. This process can be classified into two main types, which scientists examine using EEG to measure brainwaves. There is deep sleep, when your body is being rebuilt and physical maintenance takes place, and there is REM sleep, or dream sleep. This is when we dream most frequently and vividly. And during this time, our brain is almost as active as when we are awake. This phase is responsible for making sure we aren't emotional wrecks the next day. This is where we process stress and our fears. The brain, therefore, never fully switches off, it just switches to maintenance mode. And here comes the strangest part. In the animal kingdom, dolphins, for example, are capable of sleeping with half their brain at a time so they don't drown in the process, but humans are particularly prone to intentionally delaying sleep for a show or a video game. Yet, a single night of high-quality sleep is worth more than any trick. If you want to do yourself a favor, pay attention to your environment. Darkness and a cool room best support this internal cleaning. So, to summarize the lab report, sleep is not a weakness. It's the source of your superpower. It's the key to mental cleanup, learning, and emotional balance. Don't fight your pillow, because nature cannot be cheated. It always presents the bill if you steal time from it. I'm heading off to the horizontal kingdom now because my prefrontal cortex is already flashing, telling me I'm out of energy. Thank you for joining me at Zapnik's lab. See you at the next experiment. Until then, lights out. Brain regenerating. Now, where did I leave my plush molecule? Bye-bye.